came here with my lovely ladies that you're gonna be seeing all around my video today. So let's catch up. We successfully made a fire for some reason.
For a very good reason.
For a very good reason. So we're gonna be smelling smoke the whole time.
Oh yeah.
Don't worry, I got my perfume. You guys are gonna be smelling like smoke. I'm gonna be smelling like flowers.
We have grapes.
We're going to be smelling flowers.
These are so sweet.
He's the fire maker.
Yes.
Weren't you a scout?
Yes,
Yeah,
I am an Eagle Scout.
Wait, Kian was a scout too. You guys could scout out. I don't know. How far do you think we can go until like? Why? Yeah, you're sure.
Ooh.
No, it's not that far. It's like you can come all the way. I swear it's fine.
I'm playing soccer
Sure.
with the water.
Those are mine. We're exchanging shoes because you got those wet. You're keeping it. Okay.
Yeah.
They weren't supposed to get wet.
Does he go to the water? Hey, Mama Birdie. Oh, this is good. Ooh, look at that. Yep. Oh. As you can see, our grilled burger and chicken and hot dogs turned out pretty good. Everybody was enjoying, people were eating. I can tell. Oh, it was so delicious. Yeah, it was so delicious. And that was our cook for the day. Shout out. Yay. Yeah, it was a fun day overall. Yeah, and what's a beautiful day without a beautiful sunset, you know? My. This sunset was extremely beautiful. Look at the reflection in the water.